Opportunities for women in the field of Navy have also increased very significantly due to high salary, excellent benefits and job security. Navy offer क्या करती है? Navy Hi friends, do you really love discipline? Do you want thrill in life? Do you really want an excellent personality, an excellent person inside you? Yes, there is a career in defense that is Indian Navy, Guardians of the Sea. इस करियर के बारे में आज पूरी जानकारी मैं दूंगा, जितनी डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। बने रहिए अंत तक ताकि आपको इस पूरी फील्ड के बारे में, इस प्रॉमिसिंग करियर के बारे में पता चल सके। This is Indian Navy is really a promising career. This is Keshav Jain, Director Career Scouts International. ये मेरी Know Your Career सीरीज में डिफरेंट वीडियोस बनती हैं, जिसमें हर एक वीडियो में एक करियर को मैं लेता हूँ। तो आप करियर स्काउट चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। यूट्यूब चैनल है करियर स्काउट्स, इंस्टा पे मैं हूँ, दैट इज करियर स्काउट्स इंटरनेशनल CSI, और फेसबुक पे मैं हूँ करियर स्काउट इंटरनेशनल। आपको डिफरेंट करियर्स की सारी वीडियोस वहाँ पे पता चलेगी। यस, तो बढ़ते हैं आगे। इंडियन नेवी, द इंडियन नेवी इज this field, particular field, Indian Navy is gaining popularity among young aspirants, even more than the Army and Air Force nowadays, with opportunity to become naval fighter pilots, engineers, officers. The Navy offers an exciting and secure career. Why choose Indian Navy? The armed forces have always attracted youth, but in recent years the Indian Navy has become a preferred choice due to high salary, excellent benefits and job security. Navy offer क्या करती है? Navy offers number 1, experience in all 3 domains: water, land and in air. Navy offers opportunity to travel across international seas and ports. Navy offers a prestigious and fulfilling career. The Indian Navy offers various career paths in different wings such as aviation, engineering, education, medical. In addition to becoming a commissioned officer, one can also join as a sailor, agniveer, chef, steward or medical assistant. Opportunities for women in the field of Navy have also increased very significantly. अभी मैं बात करूंगा करियर्स नेवल एविएशन की, वो कौन सा है? Like the Air Force, the Indian Navy has its own aviation wing. Here pilots operate fighter jets and the helicopters as well, from massive aircraft carriers to patrol the seas and engage enemy ships and submarines. Naval aviator career options कौन-कौन से? Pilot, एक flies fighter jet and helicopter. Naval Air Operation Officer. These officers monitor air operations and attacks. Technical Officer. They maintain aircraft and weapons. Training path इसका क्या रहता है? First, training at School for Naval Airmen, that is in Kochi. Further, training at Air Force Academy Dehradun or Indira Gandhi National Aviation Academy Raebareli. After flight training, recruits join the Indian Naval Air Squadron. Indian Navy में ज्वाइन कैसे करना है उसके मैं बताता हूँ। There are 2 main ways to join the Navy, as an officer, as a sailor or agniveer. 2 parts. Officer entry कैसे होगी? Permanent commission. Officer entry में permanent commission, that is through NDA, National Defence Academy, ठीक है? और CDS after graduation, that is Combined Defence Services Exam conducted by UPSC. और दूसरा है Short Service Commission through NCC Special Entry. एग्जाम कौन से हैं और एलिजिबल कौन है, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है? NDA and NA एग्जाम जो है that happens twice a year, April and September. It requires 12th with sciences subjects. CDS एग्जाम है, it requires a bachelor degree. For syllabus, age limit and other details जितनी भी हैं, you can visit UPSC website, that is upsc.gov www.indianavy.gov.in, तो वहां से आप इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. For Agniveer, chef or steward roles, check the Indian Navy's website, that is joinindiannavy.gov.in. आजकल ऐसा क्या हो गया कि यूथ जो है वो नेवी चूज कर रही है. सीधी सीधी बात, हाई सैलरी, जॉब सिक्योरिटी. स्टार्टिंग सैलरी इज 70,000 per month for the officer, which increases with experiences. Pension benefits, retired officer receive 1.2 lakh per month after 20 years of service. Prestige and respect, a highly respected profession even after retirement. Quality life and perks includes subsidized shopping, medical benefits and family support. Posting in major cities Mumbai, Kochi, Kolkata, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Vizag, Port Blair, not remote locations like Siachen. Tough selection process है, बिल्कुल है. The NDA exam is highly competitive with 30,000 to 40,000 applicants each year, but only 400 to 500 applications are being selected. However, dedicated candidates with passion and determination, they can succeed. Yes, it is the fact. Technical knowledge required. Since the Navy is highly technical, candidates must have a science and math background. Commerce and arts students are not eligible for that. After joining through NDA, candidates can pursue BSc or BTech, which helps in career growth. Ultimately, in the nutshell, I wish to say a rewarding career in the Indian Navy. Compared to the Army and Air Force, the Indian Navy offers a more exciting career with better pay, job security, opportunity for adventure. With continuous expansion, the Navy is creating more job opportunities for young aspirants. If you dream of serving the nation, really, if you dream of serving the nation while exploring the seas, the Indian Navy is the perfect career choice for you. Wish you all the best, and don't forget to share this video, share this link to many of the students like you, to many of the teachers, principal, those who can share this very informative video to many of the students. Thank you so much.